Hi, I'm Candy Cane Cancel on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. So the last thing we want to do is to prep our hem so that we could stitch our coral trim onto it. And we're going to do the same thing that we did like with the sides, is fold over twice and then press it really, really well. Just make sure it's really flat. And you want to make sure when you're pressing that you keep the little corners inside so that they're not sticking out or anything. And feel free to go ahead and pin just to make this part so much easier. So once you have your whole garment pressed and you have your hem pressed and pinned, our last step is going to be actually stitching it up and adding our really cool retro trim. For more info on this topic, feel free to check out my website at candyland.com.